The transformative societal impact of FSD. One, a new era of road safety. Published safety data from billions of miles driven by a vast user base demonstrates FSD's positive impact on accident rates. Currently, FSD is capable of eliminating 70 to 90% of all leading accident causes, including those resulting in fatalities and serious injuries. Imagine the impact of removing 80% of accidents from our roads. What would that look like? Here is that picture. By addressing the root causes of major accidents, FSD can prevent the vast majority of collisions. Current data indicates that FSD technology is capable of improving U.S. road safety by an estimated 80%. This translates to approximately 32,000 lives saved and 1.9 million injuries avoided annually, based on NHTSA data. To give you a better idea, 32,000 lives saved. This is equivalent to the entire population of small cities like Beverly Hills, California, Newport, Rhode Island, or Vail, Colorado, or the combined student and staff body of major public universities such as Harvard or UCLA. 1.9 million injuries avoided. This number of avoided injuries is comparable to the entire population of major U.S. cities like Phoenix, Philadelphia, San Antonio, San Diego, plus major European cities such as Copenhagen, Milan, Munich, Prague, and Brussels. Imagine the profound positive impact this can have on any society. It can save the population of a small city and prevent life-shattering injury for the population of a major one. 2. Profound economic transformation. The current financial toll on society is staggering, offering immense potential for savings. This money is currently spent on accident-related industries, insurance, auto repair, hospitals, litigation, and auto parts, a cost ultimately passed on to taxpayers and consumers. While we often focus only on personal deductibles, insurance companies recover payouts through higher premiums for all, a principle that extends to hospital bills and every other collision-related cost. In essence, the price of each accident is borne by the entire community, including all of us. The scale of potential savings. Significantly lowering accident rate would drastically reduce direct financial burdens and free up massive amounts of capital for productive reinvestment. An 80% reduction in accident costs translates to $272 billion from annual direct cost savings. This substantial saving could be used to fully fund several major federal initiatives instead. What would you do with $272 billion? Here is one as an example. $1.1 trillion from annual societal harm savings. This one is even more staggering. This might be able to even balance our national federal deficit, or rebuild every structurally deficient bridge and road in the country within a 2 to 3 year time frame. That is the scale of economic and financial impact technology like FSD can have on a societal level. Three, other societal benefits. Beyond the direct impact on road safety and its significant financial benefits, the widespread adoption of full self-driving holds transformative potential for society at large. Key areas of impact include enhancing personal mobility. FSD promises to dramatically expand personal mobility by providing safe and reliable transportation to those currently unable to drive, including the elderly and individuals with disabilities. This newfound access would not only connect people to jobs, healthcare, and essential services, but also foster greater social inclusion and personal autonomy. B. Reclaiming time and reducing stress. By automating daily travel, FSD would reclaim billions of hours lost to commuting. This liberated time could be redirected toward productive work, leisure, or personal well-being. Removing the routine stress and cognitive burden of driving would significantly enhance individual welfare and collective quality of life. C. Reducing burden on public systems. A sharp decline in traffic accidents would also alleviate immense pressure on critical public services, including emergency rooms, long-term care facilities, fire and police departments, and the judicial system. The resulting efficiency gains would free substantial resources for other pressing societal needs. While this overview does not examine each area exhaustively, the cumulative societal benefit, substantiated by current data and projections, is profound. Conclusion. The evidence compels a critical choice. Will we continue to accept the immense annual tragedy and staggering financial cost of human-driven accidents, subsidizing a vast ecosystem of insurance, emergency care, and litigation? Or will we embrace transformative technology like full self-driving? The adoption of FSD is not merely a technological upgrade. It is a moral and economic imperative. It promises to save tens of thousands of lives, unlock trillions of dollars for productive reinvestment, and forge a society where mobility is fundamentally safer, more equitable, and far less wasteful. However, despite its transformative potential, FSD remains heavily constrained across much of the world, including Europe and even the United States. Why is that? Let's begin digging deeper. I hope you're ready for this. A journey to the dark side of the power and control.